Hello, welcome to Waterproofing Wisdom episode 26. My name's Ben. I'm the technical director at CLW, and I wanted to share with you who gets to play bad cop, which I guess is a reference to probably an English thing about playing good cop, bad cop. In my head, it makes me think of cop films and episodes. But we had did a CPD with some architects earlier this week, and one of the pieces of feedback that I found really helpful was the architects who we're working with. They were novated. We're now at REBA stage 5, so the construction is ongoing. And he was saying that it's really helpful for him to be able to say, "Oh, we'll need to check that with CLW." So CLW are on the contract monitoring team with client side, and the architect is now novated to the main contractor. And I think that the point that he was making is that for the architect, their client is the main contractor, and it's quite difficult for them to be, if they're perceived as obstructive or difficult, that causes a breakdown in relationship, and they need good relationship with their client. Whereas if the architect can defer to us and say, "Oh, actually, this needs checking with CLW," that allows them to maintain their good relationship and uphold the required standard on waterproofing. And I think that's really interesting in terms of competence. So following Building Safety Act, the kind of competence piece is about the knowledge, skills, experience, and behaviour. And the behaviour piece is a really big deal. And I think it's important that we, as an industry, structure relationships and commercial engagement to enable good behaviours. So having somebody like us as a waterproofing consultant that's independent and just wears that hat and is the right side of the contractual team, able to hold things to account, is a really big benefit. So that's CLW. We do basement waterproofing consultancy, and we love to do things really well. Our normal ideal is that we do robust design at REBA stage 2 and 3, do some really good performance specification and help with the procurement piece, and then remain client side throughout the build and take ownership, make sure that things are delivered on site successfully. So if we can be of any use to you in a waterproofing situation, do reach out. Thanks.